Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial of Creo Parametric. In this tutorial, we are going to model this bearing bracket using Creo Parametric. The steps I am going to follow is, first I am going to model this base plate, then I am going to model this bearing bracket, this cylinder portion, then I will model this one, then I will model this one. Here we have a little complex. Now we'll see how to model this portion. This is the bearing bracket I have modeled here. Finally, we will get the similar kind of model, the same model. I have used different options here. You can see it here. Now we'll model the same component step by step, step by step in Creo Parametric. File, close, new, part solid, untick this use default template, save OK. Our units are in mm part solid absolute, save OK. Now I'm just taking a front plane, sketch view. This is our model. For easy drawing, I'm going to keep this drawing in the left side and the parametric in the right side. Now we'll model this component one by one. First, base plate. Make it symmetric. Now this length is 70 and this height is 18. Fit screen. Now it has to be extruded up to the length of 90. Just say OK. Extrude. Symmetric. The length is 90. Say OK. Now I have created this base plate. Then we need to create the cylinder. For that, here you can see the cylinder, the top surface is 120 mm from the bottom surface of this plate. So we have to move this bottom plane. Here you can see the length is 120 and say OK. Now here we need to select this one, sketch view. Here we have to draw the model, circle. At the center, we just draw the circle. From the left side surface, it is located 125 mm. So take the dimension. This distance is 125 and the diameter of the cylinder is 80. 80. Just say OK. Extrude. Change the direction. The length of the extrusion is 55. Say OK. Now I have created the cylinder. Now we'll model this support plate. For that, take the midplane, sketch view. Take the reference, this edge, these two edges. Then close it. First we'll draw this top edge. First we'll draw this bottom edge, then we'll draw the top edge. For that, take a line from here to here to here. Then again put the line. This distance is 12, they have mentioned it. Dimension, this distance also be 12. And this height they have specified it. Dimension from here to here, it is 6. Now we'll close the sketch. Here you can see the radius of this is 18 they have specified. Here there is option called fillet. This radius is 18. Now we'll offset this line, delete this line, delete this line also. Now select this edge. There is option called offset -12. Similarly this edge -12. Similarly this edge -12. Just close it. Now we can put the line to connect it. Now it is sketch is closed. Now say save OK. Extrude. Make it symmetric. Here the extrusion length is 80. Save OK. Now we have created this support plate. Similarly, we have to create a support plate here. For that, just select this plane, sketch, sketch view. Take the reference, this one, and this one. Just close it. Now, here they have specified the radius of the circle is 12. Just put the circle randomly here. Don't give any construction. This should be a tangent connection. And the height they have specified is 24. Dimension from here to here. Dimension from this bottom surface to this edge, the dimension is 24. Then one more circle with a radius of 42. Randomly put one more circle here. The diameter is 84. Just move away from here. These two should be a tangent. And this center should be center of this. For that reference, take this reference, just close it. Now move this circle center to here. Now coincident, select this point, make coincident with this, just delete it. Now we just want to put line from here to tangent line. The remaining edges you just delete it. Delete segment. Delete these edges. This one, and this one. Similarly here, this one. Yes. Here there is one more edge. Delete segment. Delete this. Now we got the curve. Here you can see. Here also delete segment. Delete this edge. Now just say OK. Rib, profile rib. The rib thickness is 14. Save OK. Now we have created this support also. Then we just want to make 3 holes. One hole is here. Select the surface, hold, and press the control and place it to the axis. The diameter of this hole is 40. And to next, just OK. Here we just want to make a 2 holes. Select the surface, sketch, sketch view. Here they have specified 20 and 20 from this edge. So circle from the left side to here, the distance is 20. Similarly here also, from here to here it is 20. The diameter of the circle is 15. The same has to be mirrored. Select the circle, mirror, select this plane. Just say OK. Now extrude, change the direction to next, say OK. Now we have finished all the features. Now we just want to do the round features. Select this round. The round radius is 6. Select this edge. Press the Ctrl and hold. Select this edge. Similarly here, and this side also. Bottom side also. And here. Now the component is finished. This is our final component looks. This is the way we can model this bearing bracket. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.